Hi guys, so welcome to this challenge. First of all, extremely sorry for this delay. I must say that I'm not 100% ready when I started this. So welcome everyone. This is a pre-party for a show that's going to start tomorrow, which is Learn Oracle Fusion Middleware in 5 days. Apply for your dream job with higher salary. So let me swap and let me go at the bottom and go to small and see. Oh no, that's wrong. Hold on. Yeah, okay, this looks okay. I don't know how to do change. Okay, that's fine, leave it. So just give me a heads up and I'm just catching up and understanding or trying to see whether I am audible properly or not and who all are here. So let me close some windows. There's some delay on from because of performance issues here or because of the few slides which I've opened here. But if you're present here, leave me a name and your name, where are you from, and what you want to learn in this 5-day challenge. I'll do a quick introduction and then what to expect in next 5 days, which I'm going to cover in a minute. But let me see in the meantime, if anyone can hear me, just leave a comment. I'm just connecting to my Facebook or our Facebook page and see if I'm audible properly or not, or I can see comments or not. So Kirti, if you're listening from my team or anyone from my team, if you can hear me, I'll just leave a message and I'm just connecting on to the Facebook. I must say that I was not very prepared today just because as soon as I logged in here today, I just came back, returned from my vacation, and my license expired on this software. Or sorry, the software license expired. So give me 1 second, and I'll start in few minutes. While others are joining, let me know what your challenges are related to Oracle Fusion Middleware. So I'm just going on to the Facebook and let's swap, and this is what we are going to cover, which is Learn Oracle Fusion Middleware in 5 days. So this is the agenda going to look like for same. And let me go to our page. Okay, yes, I can see that I'm live now. So I'm just going on to the comment section. I should have opened, no. There's something wrong. Sorry for that, guys. I can see some of your guys' comments. Live open on app. Hold on, watch in app. Okay, I'm opening up it in app now. So this is how agenda going to look like. On day one, we are going to cover what and why, why in architecture, and I'm going to share my few more slides as well. Not sure why it's opening an app or Google. Mine is Android phone, so let me open an app. And as I said, guys, extremely sorry for this fumbling. Is live now. Okay. Good. Okay, so we are on 3 minutes into that. Let me swap now. I am back on track now. So I can see some of you guys. So first of all, welcome guys, everyone. Extremely sorry for this delay. I can see here Pavan, audio quality is good. Video, there's not proper lighting. I'll improve on that hopefully by end of today. Mukesh is saying, yes, we can hear you. Ashmi, Fusion Middleware Challenge. Okay, good. I'm going to tell all those things. So first of all, if you are new here and if you have not yet registered for the challenge, you can leave a message called FMW Challenge, which is Fusion Middleware Challenge. FMW, F for Fusion, M for Middleware, W for Whiskey. FMW Challenge as one word. When you drop this message or when you message this onto as a comment, you will be automatically get a message on Facebook Messenger, and on that messenger then you confirm one more time that you're interested in learning this challenge from us, or getting these messages from us. So type one more time FMW challenge or whatever message the message prompts on Messenger. Once you do that, it's going to prompt you for your email address. You provide the email address, and within 15 minutes, you will get a mail explaining you that you're part of this Fusion Middleware challenge. And from tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. GMT, you will start getting emails for next for a week. So it will be tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then we'll have a break on Saturday and Sunday, and then Monday and Tuesday, 5 days. So what we are going to cover, I'm going to explain it in a minute, but let me first welcome each one of you. So the comment as FMW challenge, or for some reason, if you can't, if that doesn't work, you go to k21academy.com/FMW challenge. If you've already registered, then you don't have to do anything. You are in if you've already registered for that challenge and you've received the welcome message. So Kaushal, welcome here. Kaushal is saying, Rohit, Oracle Apps DBA looking for SOA administration. So you are in the right spot. SOA is part of Oracle Fusion Middleware. So we'll cover some part of SOA administration in this, but let me know what more topic within SOA administration, what topic you want. So I can take few questions from SOA administration part as well. Bharat is saying, what are the prerequisites needed to learn Fusion Middleware? Very good question. So the prerequisite is, first of all, I say you have desire to learn and you want to learn, and I'll tell you who all should learn or why it's beneficial, or to whom all. So if you're a DBA, it will help you. If you're not a DBA, you can still start, you can still do. A lot of guys work or who are working on Fusion Middleware know nothing about DBA. So as long as you're in IT, Bharat, you should be able to explain what we are going to cover today from the next 5 days with very basic things. Okay, best ever, Rohit, thank you very much. So Bharat's question is OBI also part of Oracle Fusion Middleware? Absolutely. We are going to cover that tomorrow, what all things are part of Oracle Fusion Middleware. But let me touch base with you on a high level, what all things are. WebLogic Server, then SOA Suite, OBIEE, Business Intelligence, Web Center Portal, Content, Identity and Access Management, Enterprise Manager 13C, Oracle Data Integrator. So anything which is not database or a packaged application like eBusiness Suite, Siebel, JD Edward, PeopleSoft, or Fusion applications is part of Oracle Fusion Middleware. So we'll cover all those things. I'm glad you guys are asking these questions. So thank you very much. Okay. So you can comment with or without spaces. It doesn't matter. I think we have covered both. FMW challenge. Try doing it without space, but we'll cover both should cover. Okay, so let's go back and tell you what we are going to cover. So day one is going to be tomorrow, and where we are going to look at what is Oracle Fusion Middleware, why you should learn. I'll also add who should all learn, and the architecture of Oracle Fusion Middleware. It's a 3-tier architecture, but I'm not going to tell everything today, but that's tomorrow. So you will, when you register tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. GMT, which is, I think, from India time point of view, 1:30 p.m. India time, and US, I think it's midnight or early morning US hours. You will get an email, and same time, then at 3 p.m. GMT, which is 8:30 p.m., you will have a webinar or like this, will we go deep dive into this topic, day one topic. Day two, which is install and configure, we'll cover that Thursday, and then Friday, day three. Let me tell you a little bit more in each of these, so we go a little bit deep into. Okay, before we start, those who don't know me, who are fairly new to me, are coming here first time. My name is Atul Kumar. I'm an Oracle ace since year 2006. I'm also founder of a company, K21 Academy. So this whole show is sponsored by K21 Academy, where we do online training and some consulting work as well for our customers. I'm also author of book on identity and access management, and I go and present at various Oracle events. So I'll be your trainer or instructor for next few weeks. Now, this is my story. I'm going to tell a little bit more about tomorrow, but I'm one among you. If you see on left-hand side extreme, this is when I started my career back in year 2000 with a mere $98. And what you see is few years back, this is $19,000 per month. And this is not to brag, but to show you what's possible. And this was not easy. However, it's possible. So this is to show you what's possible, provided you keep learning new things, you keep upgrading yourself. And so I'll tell you a little bit more about that later. So this is to show you what's possible, what I do these days, and how I managed to change my career from being starting just out of college with no clue about computers on to now where I am. So I'll share that as well. And thus, as I said, is to inspire you guys about that. Then let me go through this. I'll speak about this tomorrow. Let me pass on this as well. These are some of our happy customers. These are some of my trainees, past trainees. Yeah, so other thing is, if you need any help, if you're stuck, if you're not getting any joy in anything, or if you're not getting my emails, then reach out to contact@k21academy.com. My team will be there to help you with this and in this challenge. Then I want everyone to go into and leave a comment to me and say what you guys do, where are you from, what questions you want me to cover, or what things you want me to cover in this Fusion Middleware. The more questions I get, the more things I get, the better or more interactive I will be able to make it. So try to make it interactive, leave a comment, do share it with your friends as well if you like this, and I'm confident you're going to like this. So agenda, how it's going to look like, let me explain that agenda. So this is for day one, which is tomorrow, 21st of February, Oracle Fusion Middleware. What exactly is Oracle Fusion Middleware? Why I think you should learn it, how it has transformed my career. I started learning just around 2006-07 when I was learning identity and access management. But you don't have to learn everything. You start with something basic, the way I did, and keep learning or keep adding more and more stuff. So what, why, who, and architecture, we'll cover it on day one. Let me take few more questions before I move further on day two and see if there's any other question for me. Where are my comments gone? Sorry guys again. Guys, again, I'm extremely sorry. This is, oh yeah, I can, the comments I can see. Yeah, so Pawan is saying, is it on Facebook Live every time? Absolutely. So this is going to be on a Facebook Live every day. I think on Tuesday or Wednesday, I'm also going to share a page where you can, everything on one place, but it will be always good to attend live, because then you can ask questions and ask me questions, any question you have. Rohit is saying, or Kaushal is saying, SOA admin task as an apps GBA point of view. I've done installation but did not get a chance to work on that. So if you're an apps DBA and you want to do a SOA administration, you will be mainly doing integrated SOA gateway. So remind me from my team, someone from my team, so we can involve something about targeted for apps DBAs, which is integrated SOA gateway. Other thing, if you're an apps DBA, you'll find it useful, which is I think I'm going to cover tomorrow, is about in R12.2, e-business suite R12.2, Fusion middleware is important part. So you have Oracle Fusion Middleware introduced in e-business suite R12.2. So we are going to touch base with that. I think I might have some slides, so I'm going to show that as well. Venkat is saying, Briz Bihari is saying Oracle Cloud versus AWS versus Azure. That's a cloud topic. I've already covered that, Briz. So reach out to one of the cloud comments. So someone will, or I'll reply you, where I've already covered in Oracle Cloud versus AWS versus Azure. So cloud is still relevant. Oracle Fusion Middleware is relevant and cloud as well. But differences between this, I'm not going to cover in this next 5 days or 6 days. That's for topic which I've already covered. So we'll share a link on Oracle Cloud versus, I've done Oracle Cloud versus AWS, but it's applicable for Azure as well. Venkat is saying, is this administration or development? This is mainly targeted for administration purpose. There is a development. We had a SOA development webinar. So reach out to, again, contact@k21academy.com, or there should be something, Kirti, if you tell about. So we had a webinar, I think on Saturday or Sunday, I think Sunday, which was a day before yesterday, about development. So if you need to know about SOA development, there might be some replay available for that. What is SOA integration method for integration with EBS? So Sandhya has asked a question about, again, this is the second time someone has asked about EBS integration with SOA. So I'll definitely cover the integrated SOA gateway. I was not planning to, but that's how I run things. I want to make it interactive, something useful to you. So the more thing we'll be covering. Sajid is saying, oh no, I'm not sure if it has impacted my Facebook Live, but my phone has hanged, and I'm saying today is not a good day. So I'm not sure what's happening. I was supposed to change my phone. Okay, so I think it's come back. Just leave me a message that you're still, guys are still with me. So hopefully I should still be intact. Okay, let me keep going. I'm not sure whether I can see. Yes, I'm back now. Okay, let me go and look at the comments. Yep. Thank you very much, Sandhya. Yeah. So, question Sajid is saying, will you do installation of Fusion Middleware? I'm not going to do it right now in front because it's going to take a little bit time. But yes, on day 2, we are going to cover high-level installation steps, both for 11G and 12C point of view. So yes, that's coming as well. Okay. Thank you, guys. So let me tell you now, swap again and say, so this was about day 1, which was what, why, and architecture. Then on day 2, we are going to cover Fusion Middleware installation and configuration. So we'll look at first 12C. So Oracle Fusion Middleware, we have 12C version and 11G. So we'll first focus on 12C, then 11G, and then also cover differences between 11G and 12C. Make sure, oh, battery down. I don't know why it's saying battery down. Muhammad is saying, will it benefit voice admin? I'm assuming you're saying IBM WebSphere, if I'm right, VS admin. So I think I'm again still, I hope I'm still on a live, on the Facebook Live. Okay, so this is about day 2, which is install and configure. Then day 3 is going to be on Friday, where we're going to look at the application deployment. So developers will issue or give you deployment. So what all deployment tools we have, and then how do you patch? There are different components, there are different patching tools. So we'll cover that. Then Saturday and Sunday we'll take a break and relax. Now this is my favorite part, which is day 4. And day 4 we are going to cover, which is on Monday, 26th of February. We're going to cover high availability and disaster recovery. And all those videos, I'm going to keep it to minimum 15 minutes max, 15 minutes, anywhere ranging from 15 minutes to 30 minutes. And if there's any question which I won't be able to cover, then I'll cover later under the comment section. So day 4 is going to be about Fusion Middleware, high availability and disaster recovery. So give me some questions related to Fusion Middleware if you have any questions related to high availability and disaster recovery. So Bridge, link to registries, leave a comment under which is FMW challenge, one word FMW challenge, and you will get a message on your messenger which is saying, inviting you to tell. So it will send that link on your messenger, which is Facebook Messenger. Again, confirm one more time saying yes, you want to be part of this challenge. Then it will prompt you for email address, and once you supply the email address, within 15 minutes you will be in, and daily then you'll start getting emails every day morning 8 AM GMT. Or you can go to k20academy.com/FMW challenge, one word, k20academy.com/FMW challenge. It's all absolutely free. There's no cost. You don't have to buy any software, and you will end up, after a week, you will end up learning something interesting, something useful, which has helped me, and it's going to help you as well. I can promise. Whether you are a DBA, it's going to be useful to you, and I'm going to explain why DBAs, it will be helpful to DBAs. If you're an apps DBA, it's going to be useful. If you are identity and access management consultant, if you work on SOA or OBI, Web Center, WebLogic, ODI, anything, or Fusion applications or cloud, anything you work as an administrator, architect, tester, or a developer, it's going to be useful for all of you. So Muhammad is saying nowadays DevOps is replacing all the admin jobs. Absolutely, you're right. So this is one strategy, one road towards DevOps. So you are right. So I might bring up an external expert. We have a Cloud DBA training in which we cover DevOps. So I might bring him later, maybe a week or 2 weeks later, about telling something a little bit about DevOps. But this is one part of DevOps. So this is operations, guys. So this is about HNDR. Then let me swap and then see what we are going to cover. Then day 6 is going to be about CV preparation. So this is the most important thing. So we all do for better job, and this course, this free challenge is targeted towards, can you increase your salary after 5 days? This will be the first step towards then how to write a good CV, what all things you need to include, and I'm going to share my CV, or I'm going to run it with my CV, which I'll prepare. It will be on the lines of Fusion Middleware, but I have many things which I do. So I'll share that and say what all things you should include, not include, how to be genuine, authentic, but also focus on what customer is looking for. So I'll cover that day 5, which is going to be Tuesday, if I'm not wrong. Then I've decided to, my team said to me, oh, can we, because there'll be some additional questions. There are a lot of questions which I also have a training program where a lot of guys over a period of last 2-3 years have asked hundreds and hundreds of questions. So I'll take some good questions out of that, and also I'll share some of your questions as well, which I think I'll find interesting, which is going to be on 28th, which is day 6. So just to show you some samples, this is going to day 1. We'll start with what is Oracle Fusion Middleware. We'll cover with Fusion Middleware overview, what all products are part of Oracle Fusion Middleware, then Fusion Middleware components, 3-tier architecture. Then we'll look at why you should learn Oracle Fusion Middleware. Then how about cloud, how it's relevant to cloud, where exactly it fit in cloud. Then Java Cloud Services, which is part of our cloud, which is part of Oracle Fusion Middleware as well. Golden Gate Cloud Service, Management Cloud Service. Then we are going to look at system versus Java components in the context of 11G. And then we'll look at hybrid component, and then changes in 12C. What all things have changed, what things have, new things have come. Then we'll look at architecture, components, WebLogic, standalone domain versus, and then Fusion Middleware 12C. Hold on one second. This was the slide which I think a lot of my apps DBA guys will find it interesting. So this is all coming tomorrow. So are you guys excited? Give me some little hearts and say you guys are, I'm confident you guys will love it. This is all free. So make sure you find an accountability partner. We'll also, in the welcome email, if you have not introduced in, we have a private Facebook group, which is k20academy.com/joinfb. So make sure you go there and introduce yourself, so I know a little bit more about you, so that I can mold my content related to the audience which are among you. So I attract a lot of architects, developers, administrators, DBAs, apps DBAs, identity and access management. So depending on where the bigger audience is, I'll focus on that, but definitely give e-business suite, as a lot of you guys asked. Tom is saying, Maverick is saying, can we watch these videos later if we miss any? Yes, but it will be as long as you watch before Tuesday or Wednesday. So within next 5 days, if you watch, I'm going to take them down. But on next, I think a week later, I'm going to tell you, as long as you watch them within a week, fine. After that, I'll take them down. And then I'll take you on a week later, I can tell you how you can learn in depth as well, or if you want to take them later, how you can get hold of them. Okay, so this is day 1. This is about Oracle Fusion Middleware architecture in EBS 12.2, R12.2. So if you are apps DBAs, you'll find this useful. Now this is going to be day 2. So day 2, as I said, so day 2, we are going to cover Fusion Middleware installation and configuration, and we are going to look at 12C point of view. So first we'll start with what are the install and configuration tools available. And there are a lot of tools if you see, and trust me, this all sounds complex, but once I start telling you, it will be easy, and I'll try to make it short and quick, because I know you guys are busy, I'm busy. I don't want anything to take more than 1 hour complete end to end. So within every day, bite sizes, 1 hour maximum, which is 30 minutes live with me and 30 minutes for you to investigate further, some interesting questions, answers, And so installation and configuration tools. Then we are going to look at management tools, which is what all tools you use to manage Fusion middleware. Then installation options, depending on which category you belong, where do you belong, you start with the left, which is smallest, and then or the easiest, to the extreme right, which is the most complex, but this is where the big money is, right hand side. So we'll cover that. Some part of the right hand side we'll cover also on day 4, which is on Monday, about, I think it's 26th of January, about high availability and disaster recovery. Then we'll look at what is standalone versus co-located installation or deployment. Then we'll look at 12C installation and configuration. And again, I'm going to keep it high level. Then 11G, and I'll also compare what are the differences between 11G and 12C. So this is about day 2, and then we'll have day 3. I don't want to tell everything story right now, but I hope you've now got enough. Now, give me number 1 thumbs up and say you liked it. You want to, you are excited, and we'll start tomorrow. I can't wait to see you. We have 4 more minutes or 3 more minutes. For me, I have a hard limit to close everything within 3 minutes. But as I said, one more time, thank you very much for coming here, giving your time. Give me some little hearts, a lot of hearts, and share it. Do make sure you find an accountability partner. What is accountability? Accountability partner is someone who's good friend of you, who either a step ahead of you or behind you or maybe with you, so that you both learn together and make each other accountable. Say, hey, have you done this? Or let's do that. Come with open mind, and I'm confident within 5 days you will learn a lot. Thank you very much. I don't know, to be frank, in CST time zone, Kiran, someone from my team will message, can I watch this later? Yes, you can watch that. That will be available on so the URL is going to be, you can register now early as well for notifications. So if you go to ktoninacademy.com/FMW Live 01, FMW Live 01 is for tomorrow, day 1, which is 21st of February. Day 2 is FMW Live 03. So ktoninacademy.com/FMW Live 02, 03, 04, 05. And you land on that page, there'll be a little notification, say remind me. That's how you will come to know. As soon as I go live, you will get a notification on Facebook, and you can watch them as long as you watch them within next 5 days. So after, I think on Tuesday or 28th, I'm going to take everything down, because if I leave, people don't take action. If they think that, they can do it later, they will, tomorrow never comes. So I found it that if I limit it to a particular time, people take action, and I want you guys to take action. Can you start the challenge now? Yes, you can, by all means. So action task for you for tonight is go and look at and tell me architecture, what's difference between 11G and 12C? What's difference between 11G and 12C? We are going to look at tomorrow. Why you should learn. Give me one reason why you think you can learn. We're going to start tomorrow. Time is running out. We have 1 more minute. Thank you, each one of you, those who have joined, and I hope you're going to love it. I've spent a lot of time and energy into that. I'm excited about it. Someone like this, I learned from someone that the more you give, the more you get back. So I'm hoping I'll get back a lot more in cloud and other things. This way, I've learned few new things in 12C, which I couldn't do it earlier. So that will also help me in learning my own skills. So with that, thank you very much, each one of you. Make sure you share with your colleagues and friends. There's a lot of information available. Let me do a clean sweep one more time on what we are going to cover here. And I think we'll wrap up it in 1 day. So this is about learn Oracle Fusion Middleware in 5 days to apply for your dream job and higher salary. I'm confident if you do this, it has immensely helped me. And again, this is going to be useful in DevOps, cloud, everything, because these things are still applicable. All those things you learn are applicable on cloud as well. So this is the agenda going to be. This is about me, instructor. This is my story. This is to inspire. Leave about 5, 6. I'll tell maybe tomorrow or later. This is our training which we do. This is our premium customers. These are some of the guys who have gone through our training program. If you need anything, reach out to support. Make sure you introduce yourself in the group, which you'll get it in email. This is day 1. We are going to cover. Day 2, we are going to cover install configure. 3 is about deployment patching. 4 is about HNDR. 5 is about CV and reply. Question answers bonus. I might do last my integrated SOA gateway or EBS R12 integration on that day. Then Fusion Middleware products, what Fusion Middleware consists of. what are the components, various parts, why you should learn Fusion Middleware, then whether it's relevant on cloud or not. If you see, you will find some cloud, Java Cloud Services, which is WebLogic, Integration Cloud Service, SOA Cloud Service, Golden Gate Cloud Service, Management Cloud Service. I don't know why I missed SOA. Then System versus Java component, both from an 11G point of view and what's changed in 12C. Then we are going to look at what's the difference between 11G and 12C, or what's changed in between those, architecture of Fusion Middleware, components, standalone versus WebLogic domain, EBS, or Fusion Middleware in EBS Star 12.2. Installation of installation tools, management tools, install options, standalone versus co-located, install and configure, and day 3 is about app deployment. I'll hold it now, and I think we are time up. With that, thank you very much, and take care. Bye-bye. I'll see you tomorrow, same time, 3 p.m. GMT, 8:30 p.m. IST, and someone can update from my team, please, Oh, good question. I'll take few questions, and I didn't realize, sorry, there were a few more questions. So Kiran, if you put down, Kirti, if you put down for Kiran, what is in time zone in CST, please? There's one question. Briz is saying, why K21, why not local training? The problem with local is I can't reach as many. So we now have like more than, I think, 1800, 1900 guys across globe. Locally from one particular place, it's not possible. But I go and present in various seminars. So if you want to reach me personally, I've been in India recently. I'll be going to Budapest next, I think in second week of March. So I go and visit on that, but we don't have a physical. It becomes too much logistically point of view. Okay, guys. With that, thank you very much and take care. Bye-bye, and let me say bye-bye, goodbye, and see you tomorrow at 3 p.m. GMT. Bye for now. How do I stop it? Yeah, here. Stop, yeah.